name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. Today I'm going to show you how to get an airlock out of a hot tub. Usually they happen one of two ways. A homeowner will buy a brand new hot tub and they'll go to fill it up for the first time and they'll get an airlock in the system. Or a homeowner will have a hot tub that they've had for years and periodically they empty them out for cleaning, or maybe they move from one house to the other house. When they go back to refill it, it gets an airlock. How an airlock occurs is while you're filling the hot tub, the water comes up from the bottom, it'll go into one jet and then into another jet. It starts filling up the lines inside, and then it'll get up to another jet. Sometimes those lines intersect and then the water will come up over the top. And it's kind of like an airlock. To get one out, it's kind of like burping a baby. You got to force that bubble out. There's several ways to do it. The easiest way that I have found to do it without having to take the panels off and start working on the hot tub underneath is grab a plunger. Believe it or not, this seems to work really well. I wouldn't recommend the plunger that you use for your house. We actually have a plunger like this in every one of our trucks that's only used for getting airlocks out, and then this one is used in our shop. I recommend getting the smallest one. I think this one's 5 1/4 across. It costs like $3. So I definitely recommend getting one of these. It just helps you out. What you're going to do is you're going to take the filter out of the hot tub, first thing. Now this hot tub's been sitting for a little while, so we might have gotten the bubbles out. But by taking the plunger and sticking it down where the filter was, and just by pushing, you're going to force the water out of it and stuff. We might have already got it out, I can't really tell. But anyways, you're going to keep on forcing it out of it and stuff. Just by pushing it, trying to get down to the other side. Once you got it down to where you think you got it, you can go over to the top side control. You're going to hit the jets and just turn them on. And I think we got it. Yep, it's just that simple. We might have gotten the bubble out before I started just because the tub's been sitting for about 15 minutes while I was getting ready to do some stuff. Once the water is moving within the hot tub, take your filter and just screw it right back into place. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to do this. I have had hot tubs where I've had to turn around and do it a couple times to where it finally got the movement. It's stubborn. Generally speaking, the TT150 Tough Spas are not that hard of a hot tub to get the bubble out of it. There's not a lot of lines. It seems to work pretty well. But anyways, nothing more than a plunger should do the trick. So remember, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory. They call me the Spa Man. It's just a tub in your backyard. It's full of water and it's blowing bubbles. Don't go crazy. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for everyone watching, everybody. Bye.